Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Jamaica, there was a woman named Peaches. She was known across the village for her radiant smile and her love for life, always dancing barefoot in the warm sun and singing sweet melodies that echoed through the hills. Peaches had a heart as warm as the Caribbean sun and a spirit as free as the breeze. One sunny afternoon, as she was gathering mangoes by the river, she met Peter. Peter was a gentle man with a kind smile and eyes that sparkled like the ocean. He had just moved to the village, seeking a peaceful place to start anew. When their eyes met, it was as if the universe had woven their paths together just for this moment. Peter was captivated by Peach's laughter, which sounded like music to his ears. She showed him around the lush green hills, teaching him to dance to reggae beats and sharing stories of her island home. In return, Peter shared his dreams of building a future filled with love and kindness. Their connection blossomed like the vibrant bougainvillea in full bloom. Days turned into weeks, and every moment with Peaches felt like a warm embrace. Peter found himself falling deeper, his heart swelling with a love so pure and genuine. One evening, under the glow of the setting sun, Peter took Peaches' hand and whispered, "You're the sweetest thing in my life, Peaches. I never knew love could feel this warm and real." With a joyful laugh, Peaches replied, "Peter, from the moment I met you, my heart knew we were meant to dance together forever." And in that golden light, they shared a gentle kiss, feeling the magic of love that only Jamaica could inspire. From that day on, Peaches and Peter's love grew stronger, a beautiful melody woven into the tapestry of the island, reminding everyone that sometimes the simplest love is the most extraordinary of all.